The most expensive home on the planet in the inner city of Mumbai, India, not far from the poverty-stricken slums on the renowned Altamont Road, stands Antella. Today we're going to talk about the most expensive homes ever created. This home, Antella, ascends 27 stories, stretching 568 feet high, granting the massive structure with prime views of the Arabian Sea. In technical terms, the home is the most expensive home on the planet. It's actually the most expensive residential property in the world, considering the Buckingham Palace is worth around $5 billion. However, Buckingham Palace is considered as a crown property, whereas the Antella is a private residence and the most expensive private residential property, with some price estimating as high as $2 billion. Can you believe that? The Buckingham Palace pretty much guarantees that the place is going to be over-the-top luxurious and is likely a house that I would love to move into. But before we get into the video, you guys make sure that you watch the video till the very end, as I'm going to be going through some of the most expensive houses in the world. And who wouldn't want to see that, am I right? So let's get into it, guys. The first one, standing tall and proud, is Antella in Mumbai, India, owned by Mukesh Ambani. Like many billionaire families, the Ambanis too wanted an opulent, unique and customized residence. Thus began the conceptualization and construction of Antella. Designed by the firm Perkins & Will, named after a mythical island in the Atlantic Ocean. Costing over $1 billion and taking 4 years to be constructed, Antella now stands boastingly tall amidst the slum-filled context of Mumbai. This 27-floor high residence, stacked to achieve an area of about 400,000 square feet, surpasses the Palace of Versailles in terms of the area encompassed. With 6 levels of parking below the ground level, 3 helipads and a health spa, a salon, a ballroom and a 50-seat movie theatre with multiple swimming pools, yoga and dance studios, an ice cream room. It's not going to be easy to maintain the Antella. Reportedly, it requires a staff of about 600 people. Wow, that's a big number, isn't it? Number 2, we have the Villa Leopolda, Villefranche-sur-Mer in France, owned by Lily Safra. The Villa La Leopolda is a palatial villa with cascading terraces located in the Alps Maritimes on the French Riviera. Spread across 20 acres, this villa has a reputable history of owners including Gianni and Margella Anglini, Isaac, Dorothy J. Kimming, and since 1987 it has been owned by a Swiss banker, Edmund Safra, who passed it along to his survivor and mistress, Lily Safra. The architectural character of this villa belongs to a historic style called Belle Époque, which translates to beautiful era. Designed by an American architect named Junior Ogden Codeman on an estate once owned by King Leopold II of Belgium. Let's move on to the third one. It's the Fairfield Sagapok in New York, owned by Ira Rennert. Ira Rennert, an American billionaire, owns this sprawling mansion, part of a 63-acre estate called the Fairfield, is one of the largest in United States. It includes several built forms. It has 29 bedrooms, 39 bathrooms, 3 dining rooms, 3 swimming pools, and a 164-seat theatre. The estate also includes a recreational pavilion with basketball court, gym, 2 bowling alleys, 2 tennis courts, 2 squash courts, and many other buildings. A residence of this size also requires an immense supply of electricity, which is also sufficed by an on-site power plant. Wow, to have one of those all for you, that's great. At number 4, we have 1819 Kensington Palace Gardens, London, UK, owned by Lakshmi Mittal. The steel baron Lakshmi Mittal shares the neighbourhood with some of the world's richest icons. London's prime and priciest residential, that is, the Kensington Palace Gardens, is also the second most expensive street in the world. Reportedly, average price per square meter here is $107,000. Lakshmi Mittal owns not 1 but 3 palatial homes on this street, numbered 9A and 18 and 19. The house was designed by Sir Charles Barry in 1845 as a pair of the semi-detached palazzo-style villas. Lakshmi spent millions to renovate and transform this Renaissance-styled mansion into Taj Mittal. With a total of 12 bedrooms, a pool, a Marcana marble, this mansion can be considered a pricey tribute to his Indian origins. On number 5, we have an apartment in One Hyde Park, London, UK, owned by Rinat Akhmetov. Ukraine's richest man and oligarch, Rinat Akhmetov, spent a record-setting amount of £13.4 million to buy one of the world's most expensive apartments in Knightsbridge, London. This project is by Richard Roger and his firm Rogers Strike Harbour Plus Partners encompasses an area of 25,000 square feet. Each of these apartments flaunts a 360-degree protection by bulletproof glasses, exclusive interior designed by Candy & Candy and sophisticated lighting systems by artist James Turrell, which gradually changes the ambience from sunset to sunrise. At number 6, we have the Ellison Estate, Woodside, California, owned by Larry Ellison. Larry Ellison, co-founder and chairman of Oracle, world's 5th richest man and a famous property collector, built his Japanese-style estate in 2004, which took him approximately 9 years to build. Modeled after the 1600 CE Japanese Emperor Palace, this mansion was designed and constructed by Paul Descroll, a Zen Buddhist teacher and architect. It includes 3 cottages, a gymnasium, 8 bridges, 2 gardens, 5-acre man-made lake, and a bathhouse and a koi pond. The landscape also includes expanses of cherry blossoms, maple and other Japanese species along with pines, oaks and redwoods. At number 7, we have 16 Kensington Palace Gardens, London, UK, owned by Roman Abramovich. Another billionaire resident at the Kensington Palace Garden Street, Russian tycoon and the owner of Chelsea Football Club, Roman Abramovich, owns this exuberant huge mansion. Despite the whopping price tag, this London mansion falls short in terms of facilities and areas. Hence, Roman plans to extend it underground to accommodate a subterranean leisure complex with a tennis court and a health center and even an auto museum. At number 8, we have the Xanadu 2.0 in Seattle, Washington, owned by Bill Gates. Once the richest man in the world, Bill Gates now owns this simple-looking but an extravagant architectured mansion on the edge of the Lake Washington, named Xanadu 2.0. This 66,000 square foot residence was designed by Bohlin, Swinsky Jackson and Cutler Anderson architects, built over the span of 7 years. The earth-sheltered mansion boasts of quite a many features apart from its sustainable design, including high-tech sensory systems, changing the ambiance to suit the mood and timing, a pool with an underwater music system, a 2,500 square foot gym with 20 feet high ceiling, 24 bathrooms, 6 kitchens, a library, and a full-fledged guest house. Wouldn't you want to have a look at that? At number 9, we have the Silicon Valley Mansion, Los Altos Hills, California, owned by Yuri Milner. Russian tycoon and an investor in Facebook, Yuri Milner is the proud owner of his retreat home in California. This mansion, resembling to the French chateau, has plenty of indoor and outdoor pools, a luxurious ballroom, and living areas which frame a panoramic view of the San Francisco Bay. At number 10, we have Les Palais Bullies, which is worth $390 million. Coined as the Bubble Palace, this place was designed by a Hungarian architect, Antti Lovank. So just like that, guys, we've come to the very end of the video. If you want more interesting videos, then please like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye, guys. See you in the next one.